Alberta Lawyer Mandy England has many questions regarding the invocation of the Emergency Act. She announces that Alberta wanted no part of it. Here's the clip.
Good morning. My name is Mandy England, and I'm here with my co-lead counsel, Stephanie Bowes. We are lawyers from the Legal Services Division of Alberta Justice and Solicitor General, and we represent the Government of Alberta together with our colleagues, Hannah Laura Yamamoto, Peter Buys, and Shahir Minai, who will also be attending as counsel during these hearings. The Government of Alberta applied for standing as a party before this inquiry for two main reasons. First, Alberta believes it is important to share with Canadians the facts about how Alberta was able to effectively deal with the international border blockade in Coutts, Alberta, prior to the invocation of the Federal Emergencies Act. Alberta's evidence will show that the existing law enforcement tools that were already in place were completely sufficient, and they were successfully used to peacefully restore the flow of traffic at the Coutts border crossing and to disperse the protest to a legal protest site. None of the powers that were created under the Federal Emergencies Act were necessary, nor were any of them used in Alberta to resolve the Coutts blockade. Alberta is also here to participate in the process of holding the federal government accountable for its decision to invoke the Emergencies Act. Alberta has many questions about how and when that decision was reached. A decision that was made despite the objections that Alberta and other provinces expressed during a phone call placed to the First Ministers on the morning of February 14th, 2022, just hours prior to the announcement that the Federal Emergencies Act would be invoked. Since the federal government proclaimed that a public order emergency existed throughout Canada, the Act requires that all of the provinces must be consulted before it can be invoked in that manner. Yet, Alberta's views were only asked for after the decision was apparently made, and they were basically ignored. The impact of these measures on the rights of Albertans is of great concern to the Government of Alberta. Alberta is here to find answers for its citizens and for all Canadians. We thank the Commissioner for this opportunity to appear as a party, and we look forward to working with the Commission in the weeks to come.